A good domain name will help your business in no small way because it will give you the visibility that is needed, help the search engine optimization of your website. In no small way, it will help people to be able to locate your business from everywhere and anywhere in the world. Good day everyone, welcome to Rabba Innovations channel, your number one stop by channel for everything tech. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification just so that you can get content as regards tech and websites, to be specific, website development. You're welcome once again. And to our whole time subscribers, we want to say you're amazing. Thank you for the engagement so far. We were able to hit our first 1,000 views sometimes in December. Yeah, we really appreciate you for the engagement so far. In this video, I'll be speaking about the factors to consider to choose the right domain name for your website. What's a domain name? A domain name is the address through which people can locate your business or you, in case you are a personal brand. The way people can locate you online. Examples of domain name include rabbainnovations.com or edudechuku.com, one of the websites I just built of recent. You may need to check that out. A good domain name will help your business in no small way because it will give you the visibility that is needed. It will help the search engine optimization of your website also, and also in no small way it will help people to be able to locate your business from everywhere and anywhere in the world. So we'll be considering some factors that are needed to choose a good or the right domain name for your business in this video. Number one is keep it short and simple. You don't want to choose a domain name that is too long or that people can easily misspell or misinterpret. Yeah, you would need to choose something that is short, simple, and precise. There are many reasons for this. One of the reasons is so that it can stick to people's mind, and at any point in time they can recall it so that they can keep visiting your site. Yeah, so you need to keep it simple and short. Still, under being short and simple, it is important that you do not use hyphens or symbols in your domain name. As much as possible, avoid special characters. Just use your whatever name you're using. If it is rabbainnovations.com, there is no need of putting hyphen between the Rabba and innovations. It can confuse people visiting your website, so make it as simple as possible. And so number two is make it brandable. It must be brandable. Whatever domain name you'll be choosing for your website must be something that is brandable, must be something that goes in line with your brand, the missions and the values of your brand. So you must bear that in mind when you're choosing a domain name. So there are basically three questions you need to ask yourself under being brandable. Number one is, does this domain name reflect your brand and the niche where your brand falls into? So you need to answer the question. Number two is that, is it easy to spell and pronounce? Yeah, you wouldn't want to go for something that is complicated, and when it comes to people's mind, there are a lot of spelling that is coming to their mind at the same time. You need to go for something that is people can easily spell and recollect. Number three is, does it leave a positive impression? Yeah, if it leaves a positive impression, people will most likely recollect it, and it will most likely stick in their long-term memory if it leaves a positive impression. So these are the things to consider under making sure that it is brandable. Number three, use keywords. It is very important that you use the right keywords while choosing a domain name, so that it will help. Number one is so that it will help people quickly know what you are doing, and number two is so as to help the search engine optimization of your website. For instance, if you're creating a website for probably a bookshop, and let's say the name of the bookshop is Stella, Yeah, so in incorporating the keyword into your domain name, you can use something like stellarbooks.com. Are you seeing it? So you bring in the fact that, oh, what we do is we deal on books, and you're bringing it into the name of the business itself. So making it easier at first sight for people to know that, oh, this is what is being done on this website, and it will help you to stick into their memory. You should also note that you shouldn't force keywords into your domain name. Don't force keywords into your domain name. If it works with it, fine, and if not, then you can just use your the business name, as the case may be. The fourth factor to consider while choosing the right domain for a website is choosing the right extension. So there are many extensions for domain name, starting from .com, which is the most popular and the most trusted extension. We also have .org, we have .net, we have .io, we have .co, we have .tech, and so on and so forth. I would advise that more often than not you use .com, because as I said earlier on, it's the most popular and trusted extension. However, depending on what you do, you can still incorporate other extensions. For instance, if it is a non-profit organization, you can use .org. Let's say there is a non-profit organization website you're working on, you can use .org, and so on and so forth. You can also consider using, especially if the .com for your domain name has been chosen or has been used already, you can consider other extensions that goes in line with what you do, and you can go for it. The fifth factor I'll be talking about in choosing the right domain name for your website is choosing a domain name that can be easily remembered. Yeah, so you don't want to choose a domain name that, once it is used once, people can't remember it again. You need to know that the domain name to a large extent represents your brand and represents your company. So it must be something, you must choose a name that can be easily remembered, just so that when people want to recommend it to others, they won't have to rack their brain. It's something that they can easily recollect. Oh, maybe you are into fashions. Oh, this is vickyfashions.com. Something that can stick to the memories of your clients or people that visit your website. Yeah, it is very important that you look into this and choose according to these factors. I'll be making another video to speak about some other factors that are also needed in choosing the right domain name for your website. In the meantime, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, you're welcome. Thank you.